Okay. Now, yes, we begin with the first topic which I could identify is clarity of identity. We have already spoken. Okay. That it has to begin with who am I? So, if we write the word spirituality here, which we have all subscribed to, what is it that we are subscribing to? Spirit. First and foremost, we are saying that whatever we talk and whatever we look at, what will we look at it from the eyes of the soul? Not the mind, not the chit, not the ahankar, not the buddhi, not the they, nothing. Whatever perspective we are going to talk about is going to be from that identity. So in this Vachanamrit 20th, he is asking, અજ્ઞાનીમાં અતિશય અજ્ઞાની કોણ છે? Who is the ignorant of all ignorance? And he says, આ દેહમાં રહેનારો જે જીવ, the soul that is residing in this body, એ રૂપને જુએ જ, કુરૂપને જુએ જ, બાળ યૌવન વૃદ્ધાવસ્થાને જુએ જ, અનંત પ્રકારના પદાર્થને જુએ જ, પણ જોનારો પોતે પોતાને જોતો નથી. This witness, this soul, this spirit is seeing everything, is trying to analytically observe everything, is trying to objectivize, study, analyze, sab kuch except his own self. And if we analyze our own self and what we are witnessing around, I don't think we'll need any proof of God's presence or any proof that बॉडी के अंदर कोई सोल भी है, कोई स्पिरिट भी है जो एक्चुअली रियल है, बाकी सब टेम्पररी है. इसके वन विजिट टू स्मशान इज इनफ. वन विजिट, बिकॉज दैट सेम वॉट एवर वी आर बिलीविंग इन द फिजिकल एविडेंस इज बर्न्ड बाय द लव्ड वंस. ओके, सो वन विजिट इज इनफ टू आइडेंटिफाई हू वी आर. પણ જાણનારો પોતે પોતાને જાણતો નથી અને કેવળ બાહ્ય દ્રષ્ટિએ કરીને પદાર્થને જોયા કરે છે. सिर्फ एक्सटर्नली, फिर भी सिर्फ एक्सटर्नली देखना है, फिर भी सिर्फ एक्सटर्नली ढूंढना है, इन स्पाइट ऑफ सच प्रूफ दैट सब अंदर ही है. અને પોતે પોતાને નથી જોતો એ જ અજ્ઞાનીમાં અતિશય અજ્ઞાની છે. સર્વે ઇન્દ્રિયોએ કરીને વિષયના સુખને ભોગવે છે. सारे इंद्रियों को यूज कर रहे हैं हम, विषय के भोग को अनुभव कर रहे हैं, પણ પોતે પોતાના સુખને ભોગવતો નથી. बाहर थोड़ा सा चिल्लर सुख दिया, उसमें इतनी बिजी हो गए कि अंदर जो इतना भंडार दिया, इतना अबंडेंट सुख दिया, एक्चुअली वॉट एवर इज ट्रिगरिंग समथिंग इनसाइड ओनली. हैप्पीनेस इज अ हार्मोन विच डज नॉट कम फ्रॉम वड़ा पाव इनसाइड यू. Happiness is a hormone that when you say I like vada pav, the body releases, but is released by the body. It is inside the body. That same thing with our own free will when we can, that is spirituality. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कुछ, but I can still release it through meditation, through bhakti, whatever you can do with your own self without needing anything else is spirituality. I don't need anything else. सेल्फ ट्रिगर्ड, अपने आप इंडिपेंडेंटली विदाउट एनी एक्सटर्नल कैटलिस्ट. इफ आई कैन डू इट देन ग्रेट, बट ही सेइंग इट इज देयर. बट इफ यू आर नॉट एक्सप्लोरिंग ओनली, इफ यू आर नॉट डाइविंग ओनली डीप, तो हु कैन हेल्प अस? અને પોતે પોતાના રૂપને જાણતો નથી. એ જ સર્વે અજ્ઞાનીમાં અતિશય અજ્ઞાની છે. એ જ સર્વે ઘેલામાં અતિશય ઘેલો છે. એ જ સર્વે મૂર્ખમાં અતિશય મૂર્ખ છે અને એ જ અતિશય નીચમાં અતિશય નીચ છે. દેટ ઇઝ ધ ઇન્ફિરિયર ઓફ ઓલ હ્યુમન બીંગ્સ. દેટ ઇઝ ધ મોસ્ટ illiterate of all human beings. That there is no time spent on knowing your own self, which is so powerful, and not once, twice. After living 40, 50, 60 years, still we are just lost there. And then he is asking, Shukmuni is asking that પોતાનું સ્વરૂપ જોવું તે શું પોતાના હાથમાં છે? क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? अगर ये क्या मेरे हाथ में है कि मैं अंदर जाऊं और देख सकूं? અને જો પોતાના હાથમાં હોય તો જીવ સિદ્ધ ને અજ્ઞાની રહે. यू थिंक वी आर स्टूपिड? अगर देख सकते तो हम नहीं देखते, मतलब इतना इजी होता तो क्यों नहीं देखते? सो व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग? आई डोंट थिंक इट इज सो इजी एज यू आर सेइंग. तो શ્રીજી મહારાજ બોલ્યા, જેને સત્સંગ થયો છે તેને પોતાના જીવાત્માનું દર્શન પોતાના હાથમાં જ છે. Somebody who hasn't been exposed to satsang, you can ask this question. Somebody who is sitting in front of God and is doing satsang, you cannot doubt this. જેને સત્સંગ થયો છે એને તો પોતાના હાથમાં જ છે. He is ascertaining it because that is what satsang is all about. So you have to first believe, and he is ascertaining that એ પોતાના હાથમાં જ છે. અને કે દાડે એણે પોતાના સ્વરૂપ જોયાનો આદર કર્યો ને ન દીઠો. You give me one example where somebody had a burning desire to see it and didn't find it. Give me one example and then I will accept defeat. Have you really tried? Have you really given? English subject पढ़ने के लिए how many hours did we give to A, then to B, then to C, A, B, 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 small, capital, A, B, C, D, BAT bad, CAT cat. कितने घंटे पढ़े इंग्लिश? एक one communication language. How many hours have we invested? Have we invested that many hours on understanding God? If yes, then we can say, have we spent that much time on understanding our soul? If we haven't, we should not doubt it that नहीं मिलता है. After investing, he guarantees. कि एक एग्जाम्पल दे दो जिसने कोशिश की और नहीं मिला. પોતે પોતાને જાણે કોઈ દિવસ પોતાનું સ્વરૂપ જોયાની અંતરદ્રષ્ટિ કરતો જ નથી, और ભગવાનના પ્રતાપને વિચારીને અંતરદ્રષ્ટિ કરે તો પોતાને પ્રકાશમાન ઉજ્જવળ જોવે છે. If you take God's help or a Satpurusha's help and if you dive inside, you are definitely going to tap that power within. Guaranteed formula. But you have to spend that enough time on doing that. Now, where are we stuck? In this same cycle. How many times are we stuck in this same cycle? Whether we believe it or not, 84 lakh years, births is what every scripture says. Let's not believe it. Let's talk about this lifetime. Every night we are going to sleep, mini death pakad lo. Every morning we are waking up, mini birth pakad lo. How many times this routine have we lived? At least that is in a few 10,000s. That is definitely in a few 10,000s. Even after satsang, it is a few thousand times that this has happened, that we have woken up and we have again gotten busy in the same mundane routine, and we have again managed to give an excuse that इसके लिए उतना time नहीं मिल पाया. This opportunity after satsang, and like we have already touched, that वो तीनों चीज मिली है, मनुष्य जन्म, मुमुक्षुता एंड सत्संग, महापुरुष, सब मिला. अब क्या चाहिए? अब नहीं मिले तो we can't blame anything but ourselves. અને આ દેહને પોતાનું સ્વરૂપ માનવું અને આ દેહના જે સંબંધી તેને પોતાના સંબંધી માનવા નહીં. You should not treat this body as your body. Now, I will fast pace on this topic because how many ever times we visit this, we are going to come back here. He gives an example in another one. मैं अगर कपड़े सिलाने दर्जी के पास जाऊं और दर्जी मुझे कपड़े सिला कर दे, उसके बाद मैं बोलूं कि ये दर्जी मेरा बाप और दर्जन मेरी माँ. How stupid is this? They gave a cloth. Yes, if I look in the mirror, it is me. Like Premanand Ji Maharaj explains very well. जो भी मेरा है वो मैं नहीं हूं. मेरा कपड़ा तो that's not me. मेरा शरीर तो that's not me. मेरा मन तो that's not me. मेरी इंद्रिय तो that's not me. मैं इंद्रिय we do not say. मैं मन we do not say. मैं आत्मा we say. That is only me. Everything else is मेरा. मैं कौन? आत्मा का. वो आत्मा का एक टेम्पररी व्हीकल है. इफ वी स्टार्ट कॉलिंग दिस बस अस, doesn't make sense. Bus was a vehicle carrying us. We cannot suddenly get confused कि बस कौन है और मैं कौन हूँ. It's very very simple. मैं ड्राइवर हूँ और बस है. This identity crisis cannot happen innumerable number of times where we again and again come back कि हाँ वो थोड़ा मेरा ईगो हिला दिया किसी ने. But वो तू नहीं है ना, तेरा है, तुझे तो नहीं हिला सकता ना कोई. So these 84 lakh birds, he says in 3 places. At one place he says, ऐसा कोई पुरुष नहीं है जिसको उस स्त्री ने अपना स्पाउस नहीं बनाया. There is no man and woman in this entire universe who have not married each other in some birth. There is no man and woman in any birth जिसने उस माँ के गर्भ से जन्म भी नहीं लिया. और इन अनदर एनालॉजी सेज कि जितना समुद्र में पानी है ना, उतना उसने माँ का दूध पिया है. Now whether we believe this or not, again I will just say, इस बर्थ का तो मान लो कि how many hours of this earthly life have we lived and how many times these reminders have come to us as a blessing and we still want to live in denial. नहीं, ये मैं नहीं हूँ, वो मैं हूँ, वो मैं नहीं हूँ, ये मैं हूँ. This identity crisis is the first step where it has to end. How much of conditioning has gone? We have done this Vachanamrit once, but it's worth doing. That he asked that whenever something comes in front of us as a decision-making factor, and one thing attracts us towards that vishay, and one thing says कि नहीं, don't indulge. Who's saying yes? Indulge. Who's saying no? Don't indulge. So Swami answered that the mind is saying yes, the soul is saying no. And it is denied in many places. Mind and soul work in tandem. Because the soul is saying yes, the mind is following instructions. Why is the soul saying yes? જે દિવસથી આપણે સમજણા થયા તે દિવસથી આપણને મા બાપની ઓળખાણ થઈ અને પછી મા બાપે નિશ્ચય કરાવ્યો કે આ તારી બેન, आ तारी माँ, आ तारो बाप, आ तारो काको. ये जो मेरा अभी सर सेट ना कि कुर्सी भी मेरी ऐसे फटाक से क्यों हो जाती है. 2-year-old जेहान इन आवर हाउस. ओके, मायरा's birthday, some maid got 3 toys for them. This 2-year-old saw the red car, they gave it in his hand. After 120 seconds Myra asked, मने आप ना मारी छे. 700 days of life. हाँ मारी है. What sense he has? But how many times that conditioning has been drilled? A J baby, A Jayan, A J baby, A Jayan. Nobody told us that we are the soul. So that hammering of I, me and myself, how many times has it happened? Millions and billions of times. कितना unlearning and undoing करना है. And but then he says, all this hammering happened, પછી એને સત્સંગ થયો. We can't complain. Because સત્સંગ થયો ત્યારે સંતે પરમેશ્વરના મહિમાની વાતો કરી. That saint came and he started reminding us, you know who made you? God made you. You know who made? The same example again. Who made you? Mama made. Mama, how do you make? Mama doesn't know. Who fed you? Mama fed you. Exactly. So, but that example is apt in knowing. See, before manufacturing something, if somebody claims that I know how to do it, or I don't know how to do it, understandable. She has not done it. After manufacturing also, if she says, I don't know how to do it, what does that say? She didn't do it. After the whole process of doing it, you are still saying, भाई मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है मैंने ये सब कैसे किया. I don't know it only. I can't even voluntarily do it again. Which is true for everything. Our breathing, we don't know how to do it. Heart beating, we don't know how to do it. Yet we want to claim that we are something who can know this, control this, etc. So the saint comes and talks to us in satsang of सब उसका है, सब उसने दिया है, सब उसने किया है, सब उसकी जागीर है. We are just on lease. फिर भी वी डोंट forget. Then so many bhajans we have heard. हे जीव शाने फरे छे गुमान मा तारे रहवू भाड़ा ना मकान मा. भाड़े का ही है ना, तो क्यों इतनी ओनरशिप लेके बैठे हैं? ओके, सो दिस रिमाइंडर द सेंट गिव्स. અને વિષય ખંડનની જગત મિથ્યાની વાત કરે છે. ये मिथ्या क्यों है? मिथ्या इसलिए नहीं है कि ये नहीं है, मिथ्या इसलिए है क्योंकि ये टेम्पररी है, परमानेंट नहीं है. बस इतना ही समझने को बोल रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट आस्किंग अस टू लीव एनीथिंग, बट टेम्पररी है वो तो समझो. एंड अगर टेम्पररी है तो परमानेंट में इन्वेस्ट तो करो. अच्छा, परमानेंट तो को थैंक यू तो बोलो. अच्छा, ये गिफ्ट है तो गिवर को एक्नॉलेज तो करो. हाउ कैन वी जस्ट टेक अ टी शर्ट एंड नॉट से थैंक यू? हाउ कैन वी कीप डूइंग दैट? हाउ कैन वी कीप benefiting from this platform and say अरे तू कौन रे? But that's what we are doing to God. We are using every bloody thing that He has given, and then we talk about whether God exists or no. After using what He has given, we are talking this. So how ungrateful that is. But to an ignorant mind, okay. To a satsangi, not okay. Somebody who doesn't know, have a tuition teacher, somebody who doesn't have a teacher, fails, okay. Somebody who has private classes, tuition classes, special classes, best of everything, and still doesn't learn, bas karo bhai. Achha, so that we cannot not acknowledge. So they told us that. અને જગત મિથ્યાની વાત તે સંતએ કરી ને તે સંતનું રૂપ તે પણ જીવની બુદ્ધિમાં રહ્યા છે. સો ઇફ વી ક્લેમ all of us that share our past experiences are talking about all the conditioning that happened to us, bothered us, broke us, made us vulnerable. Okay, that conditioning we are talking about. सामने ये भी तो कंडीशनिंग है. ये कहाँ से मिल गया, वो स्वामी कहाँ से मिल गए, ये वचनामृत कहाँ से मिल गया, भगवान जी कहाँ से मिल गए, ये भी तो कंडीशनिंग उतनी पावरफुल है. तो ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है. सो वी नीड टू नो हु इज मोर पावरफुल. वी नीड टू नो व्हाट्स मोर इम्पैक्टफुल. कौन जीतेगा कुरुक्षेत्र में, अर्जुन और कृष्ण के सामने की पूरी फौज? सो है ना अभी कृष्ण अपने लाइफ में. सो वी कांट कंप्लेन ऑफ दिस आइडेंटिटी. नाउ बोथ दिस कंडीशनिंग ही सेज आर फाइटिंग ईच अदर कॉन्स्टेंटली. द सोसाइटल कंडीशनिंग, स्पिरिचुअल कंडीशनिंग, दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फाइटिंग. हु विन्स? द वन यू फीड. सो व्हाट विल वी फीड एंड हाउ विल वी फीड? Material exposure, feed material things. Spiritual exposure, feed spiritual things. So how can your spiritual feeding increase? Okay, we said during the day that वो जो शिविर में आते हैं एक स्पाइक आता है फिर डिप हो जाता है. क्यों होता है? यहाँ इतने 50 दिनों का खाना एक दिन में खा लिया और कल से उपवास. So how is it going to help? ना, you cannot just feed yourself, stuff yourself on a day and then say अभी है ना वो इतना तो खाया था. हाँ, but it's the body's wear and tear is such, 2-3 दिन में सब evaporate, फट हो जाता है. How many days can we stay without food? 20, 25, and then we die. उतना ही. How many years have we eaten? 42 years, 20 days. See, understand the nature of the body. मतलब यू अंडरस्टैंड ना, गाड़ी में पेट्रोल कितने दिन में भरनी है, ऑयलिंग कितने दिन में करना है, टायर कितने दिन में चेक करना है. ऐसे ही इसका भी तो समझो कि ये कितने दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा. आंसर इज डेली, बिकॉज यू आर डाइंग एवरी नाइट इन वॉट एवर फॉर्म एंड प्रोपोर्शन. यू आर डाइंग एवरी नाइट. कुछ रहता है तुम्हारे साथ, कुछ गया छू. तो दैट कनेक्शन हैज टू बी एस्टैब्लिश. इसीलिए तो 5 टाइम नमाज होते हैं. बस पहला वाला कनेक्शन वीक हो जाए तो दूसरी बार कर ले, दूसरा वीक हो तो तीसरी बार कर ले. 5 बार मानसी पूजा होती है हमारा. यू हैव टू कनेक्ट दैट मेनी टाइम्स. और उससे बेटर कांस्टेंट कनेक्शन. बट दिस विल कीप हैपनिंग. ओके, नाउ he acknowledges that you have to continue doing your routine, right? So then he asked, આ સંસારમાં મનુષ્ય જે જે કાર્ય હોય તે કરવાને અર્થે દેશ વિદેશ જાય છે, પણ પોતાને ઘેર આવે ત્યારે નિરાત કરીને બેસે છે. We go to Rome for business, for pleasure, for anything, leisure trip. We go, we roam. Do we come back or we not come back? We come back. He gives example of cattle. The guy, bears, they go in search of food. A bird flies in search of food. After flying in search of food, after getting that food, does it come back to the nest or not? Like that, he says, do whatever activity you want to do. Are you coming back home or not? Whatever activity we are doing, with all the vishayas, with all our indriya antakaran, but after that, are we coming back to Katha, Kirtan, Shravan, Seva, Sadhana, Satsang? Are we coming back or we have lost our address of home? Because वो जो हाश होता है ना, वो you see the most beautiful country, Croatia जाके आओ और wherever you want to go and come. But वो हाश घर पे आके ही होता है. So like that, God is home. He's given us this whole universal studio to enjoy. But eventually we have to come back home. If we don't come back home and if we keep roaming around, then what will we do? We will ensure that He makes us remind of our home. And those reminders, do we like? We don't like. Because those reminders, He has to become strict. If He has to become strict, then we complain. Why are you so like this? But He has to. If we keep failing, वो स्पेशल क्लास का भी स्पेशल क्लास कराएगा, वो रात को जगह पे भी पढ़ाई कराएगा. बट इतने लास्ट वेंचर होने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है ना कि उसको इतने पटके मारने पड़े और ऐसे पढ़ाई करानी पड़े. बट लाइक अ लविंग पेरेंट, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अप ऑन अस. उसने ठान ली है, मेरा बच्चा फेल तो नहीं हो सकता है. पास कैसे नहीं हो, तो लेगा और एग्जाम, one after another, after another, after another, but he will take. But whenever he takes an exam, should we feel blessed, grateful, or unjust and unfair? What should our message to him be? Should we see him as Berahem, or should we see his karuna in it? If we let him down so many times, should we see that, wow, he is still interested in me, why? Or should we look at it again as, why is he doing this to me? Okay. Kano. Lalo.
In spite of him being like so sidelined, the person, the main character, God is like just always around him and helping him constantly. So like amazing.
So when he tests, does he become closer to us or not? Why? Because like the potter, if he has to slap from one hand, he has to take care of from other hand, otherwise pot doesn't get shaped. So does he have to come and pay special attention to us during our difficult times or not? Okay. So in our difficult times, he actually sits and waits and sees. In that Vachanamrita he says, whenever I do this, હું ભક્તના હૃદયમાં જોઈને એને તપાસું છું that how he is going to react to this. So we have to tolerate that pain with grace. Okay, and he is checking, is there grace or not? अच्छा, he is being there. Now how would you feel अगर वो बोले कि भाई स्पेशल क्लास में मैं पर्सनली आऊँगा, बाकी सब में मेरे टीचर्स आएंगे? तो जो शाणे होते हैं वो फेल होके उसके क्लास में चले जाएंगे. If he says if he says that this is a school, the absolute special students I will teach, the remaining my staff will teach. So the one, that special student who gets special attention directly from the dean is going to feel कि चलो इसके साथ टाइम तो मिल रहा है ना. સો લાઈક દેટ ભગવાન આપણને વધુ દુઃખ દેશે તો ભગવાન પણ પોતે આપણને વશ થઈ જશે. When he is going to take difficult exams, he is going to stick closer to us. That is his promise, that is his attitude, that is his character, that is him.
What do you mean by other people?
When he is testing us, don't be afraid, he is closest to you. That's all that I mean. I don't mean that let's fail. Okay?
No, I'm understanding the analogy.
Analogy.
That other people like testing you means what you mean.
Whenever our lessons are not learned, he will not give up on us. He will pay more and more personal attention to us. Then he will put some examinations in our life. Those examinations will be very difficult. There will be death, disease, failures, breakups, whatever that shatters us. And when he shatters us, before he shatters, he plants himself. And you can check your life. Before he sent a problem, he sent a savior. You can check your life. Matlab, wherever anybody can give evidence that before he sent that trouble, there was some savior in form of scripture, person, whatever form, was planted to take care of that attack that is going to come on him or her. So, he plants himself whenever he plants a lesson in our life. સો ભગવાન આપણને વધુ દુઃખ દેશે તો આપણને વધુ વશ થશે. નાઉ હી સેઇંગ સમથિંગ વેરી વિપરીત. જેમ જેમ ભગવાન આપણને કસણીમાં રાખે તેમ તેમ વધુ રાજી થવું જોઈએ. You should be more happy. Oh, one more chance. He's going to take a test. I'm going to pass it. This attitude, अरे टेस्ट लेने आया तू है ना, है, और सत्संग करूंगा और एग्जाम दूंगा और अच्छे से पास करूंगा. How many ever times he is going to plant an opportunity to give an exam, that many times he is going to plant himself in some form to help us, to sail us through it. He is not going to leave us alone. And we have to make the most of those special classes. And then comes a day where he feels कि इसकी टेस्ट लेके अभी फायदा ही नहीं. अच्छा, he doesn't have to look at us only. Now, because of the design of life being like that there is disease, there is things, still those things will happen to us, but he knows he can close his eyes and trust कि अगर ये पूरी भीड़ पड़ी है तो इसके सामने तो देखना ही नहीं है. he can take care of himself. चल दूसरों पे ध्यान दे. He can take care of himself. He gets us to that level that कितनी भी difficult exam आए, he knows I can count. In fact, he will take care of himself, he will take care of others. Okay, then he appoints them as volunteers. The volunteers of God. The volunteers of God who have passed the test several times. Okay. And then they plant volunteers. जिसको लगता है उनको कि ये अब छोड़ के नहीं जाएंगे, फिर वो उनको लीडर्स बनाते हैं और शिविर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनको दे देते हैं. ओके. So this, then another Vachnamrit, he talks about many a times we get a question, साला सब कर रहा हूँ, इसका फायदा होने वाला है कि नहीं होने वाला है? Okay, होने वाला है कि नहीं? So he says, I'll read the words. He says that कोई बहुत बड़ा साहूकार हो, बहुत बड़ा, मतलब imagine धीरूभाई अंबानी, okay, he is not giving you cash. He doesn't have cash. He is not even giving you GPay. He doesn't have GPay. But he is writing a check to you of 1 crore rupees in the name of Manish Avadia. That 1 crore rupees, do you have a doubt that when you deposit this check, you are going to get 1 crore rupees in your bank account? Do you have any doubt that if Dhirubhai Ambani gives 1 crore rupees check, is that ever going to bounce? But do you have 1 crore right now? No. What is the time? When will you get 1 crore? When you deposit it in the bank. Whenever you are going to deposit this spirituality into your karmic bank, you are going to be credited moksha. When are you going to? Whenever you, we are all investing in spirituality right now. We are all investing in spirituality, right? मेरे पास पोर्टेबल चार्जर है. वहाँ से खाली सी वायर ले लो बस. So whenever we are going to invest in spirituality, but we don't see immediate results. Immediately ऐसा सब मेरी लाइफ में सब ठीक हो गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. तो मुझे मिल क्या रहा है actually? What am I earning? What am I right now earning for? I am earning for life after death, not just life before death. There are benefits of life before death because your perspective changes. In facing all the challenges, death-like challenges in life, everything changes. Ulta. Okay? So, everything changes in life, but what is guaranteed? And if we are going to continue to invest, we are being credited a lot in our accounts, okay, which can be encashed when we are going to leave this body. Our karmic accounts are being credited with a lot of spiritual credits. It's being credited. You will definitely find the encashment when you are going to meet the banker. Wait for that. But if you don't trust that, you will say, फाड़ो ये धीरूभाई अंबानी का चेक, अपन अपना पसीना बहाते हैं. अपने पसीने से वो नहीं मिलेगा, इससे वो मिलेगा. So we are continuously taking साहूकारनी हुंडी. Okay? One more thing. If this guy has made this bungalow just to rent out, would his home, imagine he has another home in Lonavala, will it be better than this or not better than this? If this guy made this universe that is so beautiful, will his home be more beautiful than this or less? Will it be more joy-giving than this or less? Will it be more loving than this or less? Whatever he is trying to teach us through detachment, ये छोड़ दो, ये तुच्छ है, ये नाशवंत है, because he knows वहाँ क्या माल है. यहाँ का सुख सुख है, वहाँ का परम सुख कैसा है, वो वहाँ मतलब वहाँ, both, okay? वहाँ when we live and यहाँ when we are, but all this is inside. He is trying to remind us of this. Now again next example he gives is Kalyani Rajniti. If you are a king, and if you don't pay attention to your kingdom, if you are a prime minister and you pay no attention on politics, what happens to the country? Mess. Absolute mess. Who is the king? Soul. If he is not paying attention, what are the Indriyas and Antakaran going to do? Mess. It's like a classroom without a teacher. Everybody is doing their own manmani. Mind says, I want that, you are chasing that. Indriya says, I want this, you are chasing this. Constantly, who's taking decisions in your body? Indriya and Antakaran. And where is the soul doing? Vacation. Soul is on a vacation. Soul is sleeping. Soul is passive. Soul is not interested in politics. So who's taking charge? Nobody. जिसको जब मर्जी आ रही है, आज सत्व गुण ने ले लिया, कल रजो गुण ने ले लिया, परसों तमो गुण ने ले लिया, आज मन ने भगाया, कल बुद्धि ने वो किया, आज विवेक ने वो किया. एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट, जिसको मन में आ रहा है वो क्लास का टीचर बन गया, एंड मेकिंग अस डू थिंग्स बिकॉज सो रहा है, तो उसको कौन जगा रहा है? सत्संग। तो कितनी बार जगाने की जरूरत है? जितनी बार भूल रहे हैं। We have to ask ourselves, how many times I am forgetting this? How many times can you forget? Like yesterday I met a friend, she was saying, नई रिसेप्शनिस्ट रखी उसने, she said I just told her 5 minutes back कि इसको 4:15 की अपॉइंटमेंट दे, 5 मिनट बाद वो भूल गई. 5 minutes later she forgot. She makes her write every single thing because she knows she's going to forget in 5-10 minutes. This is us. One event we forget, one instance we forget, one trigger we forget, one temptation we forget. So how many reminders will we need? Okay. So then he teaches us how to net practice. कि भाई नेट प्रैक्टिस कर, तो जब तेरे सामने आए तो पता चले कि बॉस हाउ यू हैव टू बिहेव व्हेन देयर इज एन आर्मी. वो सोल्जर पूरे जिंदगी ट्रेनिंग करता है क्योंकि एक दिन उसको वॉर पे जाना है, एक ही दिन, एंड ही इज होपिंग कि वॉर पे ना जाना पड़े, बट स्टिल इज ट्रेनिंग एवरी डे एज ए वॉर पे जाना पड़े. तो सो द वन हु इज गोइंग टू हैव दिस ट्रेनिंग एज ऑथेंटिक कि जाना ही पड़ेगा, ही इज गोइंग टू सर्वाइव दैट वॉर. एंड वॉर कभी भी आ सकती है. तैयारी रोज ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि वॉर आ जाए तो मैं कैसे बिहेव करूंगा, और वॉर ना आए ऐसा होप भी करना है. और जब वॉर आए तो इसी के लिए तो प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे, तो अब क्या रोना धोना. दिस इज व्हाट वाज आवर चांस टू विन फॉर द कंट्री. इफ यू डू टू मच ऑफ प्रैक्टिस एंड फाइनली द डे कम्स दैट यू आर अपॉइंटेड फॉर अ वर्ल्ड कप ओपनिंग बैट्समैन, तभी एंजाइटी रख के क्या मतलब है. नाउ यू हैव टू टेक दैट चांस एंड गिव योर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड, राइट. एवरी टेस्ट इन लाइफ इज दैट. Every time you are given a disease, you are forced to have परहेज. डायबिटीज आया, अब शुगर नहीं खाना है. ब्लड प्रेशर आया, अब ये नहीं खाना है. So those are God planted परहेज in life. You have to have that discipline. तू ऐसे नहीं माना तो अब तुझे ऐसे मान रहा हूँ. So in that वचनामृत he says दैट रोग, ये मुझे कोई रोग हुआ है या मेरी जिंदगी में कोई सत्पुरुष आया है? क्योंकि जो मैं अपनी मर्जी से नहीं ओबे कर रहा था, इस रोग ने जक मराकर मुझे करवा दिया. आफ्टर द बाईपास सर्जरी यू विल नॉट डेयर डू दैट, राइट. सो दैट बाईपास सर्जरी गॉड प्लान्स के भाई समझ जा, ऐसे नहीं तो ऐसे समझ. पॉइंट समझने की बात है, राइट. Again another example he gives is, it's a jewelry shop. In that jewelry shop, if that person is manipulative, so while you are talking to the customer, the wife and the children are taking your gold और उसमें metal मिला रहे. You don't know. आपने दिया कि भाई ये measure कर दो ना, इसका valuation क्या आएगा. You are talking, वहाँ पीछे मिलावट हो गई. You got back your gold, but instead of 24 carat it became 18 carat. This is what happens when we lose our awareness in life. Then वो क्या करते हैं? He, the goldsmith, takes that 18 carat gold, puts it in a furnace. In that furnace उसको जला जला कर वापस 24 carat करते हैं. Again we complain, why me? बट भाई तूने ध्यान नहीं दिया, तुझे बोला था ध्यान देना, फिर भी तूने ध्यान नहीं दिया. अब तू 18 कैरेट हो गया. आई डोंट लाइक इट, आई विल अगेन मेक यू 24 कैरेट, तो आई पुट यू इन अ फर्नेस. वी कैन कॉम्प्रोमाइज, ही वोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज. ही वोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज मीन्स ही वोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज. सो ही इज गोइंग टू अगेन प्लांट समथिंग इन आवर लाइफ एंड टर्न अस बैक इनटू 24 कैरेट. एवरी सिंगल टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू सब्सक्राइब टू इम्प्योरिटीज, ही इज गोइंग टू कम एंड प्योरीफाई अस. You want to लाख कोशिश कर लो, this process is, there is no escape to this process. You say impure accept कर लो ना, he will say university तक admission दूंगा, graduation नहीं दूंगा. He will take us into spirituality. He will give us a place, he will give us a guru, he will give us teachings, he will give us admission, he will give us classes. He will not give us that graduation certificate till we don't purify. Okay. So that is not happening. So now at least we have to understand wherever he is going to put us is going to be for our good. Whatever he is going to plant in our life is going to be for our evolution. Otherwise, he is not sadistic. We need to have certain fundamentals very clear about him. He is not sadistic. उसको कोई मजा नहीं आता, चलना रुलाते हैं इसको आज, बिल्कुल नहीं ना, बिल्कुल मतलब इट्स जस्ट व्हाई वुड ही प्लांट समबडी जैसे मजा रोएगा ये मजा आएगा, इसको ऐसे रिलेशनशिप में डाल, साला ब्रेक ऑफ हो तड़पे ये, व्हाई, व्हाट प्लेजर इन सीइंग योर ओन चिल्ड्रन सफर. इज ही इंटेलिजेंट, इज ही नॉट इंटेलिजेंट? सो मच इज पुट, कड़ा परंपार वाला में पहुंचे नहीं विचार, ये वितारी कड़ा परंपार जी. सीज कला वर्डिंग्स. हरिवर तू के हथोड़े आवा घाट छो गणनारजी, बाळकने प्रभु मात पितानी केम आवे अणसार. कैसी कला है तेरी, वो बच्चे को कैसे पता चलता है माँ कौन है, एनिमल हो या ह्यूमन बीइंग हो? क्यों वो वही हाथ में जाके चुप होता है? कैसे, हाउ डज ही नो? कुछ नहीं आता है उसको, बट ये आता है उसको. भूख लगा रोना कैसे आता है उसको? आता है उसको. ओके, सो हाउ हैव यू प्लांटेड? अणुमा आखो वड़ संकेल्यो एना मूड ऊंधा मोरारजी, कीड़ीना तर केम घड़िया सृष्टिना सर्जनहार. हमारे बोन्स, मसल्स, रिब्स बनाए समझ सकते हैं, कीड़ी के कैसे बनाए? हाउ डिड यू मेक दैट? अच्छा, हमारा नोज समझ सकता है कि कोई यहां से स्मेल शक्कर की हमको नहीं आती, उसको आती है. इट विल स्मेल वेदर यू लिव ऑन द 50th फ्लोर ऑफ अ हाई राइज. ही नोज हाउ टू रीच देयर विथ दैट टाइनी नोज. हाउ? जन्म्या आगड़ दूध जुगते किदाते तैयार जी, मोरना इंडामा रंग मोहन केम पुर्या किरतार, ये वितारी कड़ा. अगेन सेम, दूध कैसे डाला? वो तब भी जब बच्चा पैदा हो और तब तक ही जब तक दांत ना आए. अरे व्हाट टाइमिंग मैन, व्हाट ऑटोमेशन. इमेजिन दिस ऑटोमेशन. बर्थ हुआ, मिल्क, दांत आए, मिल्क गायब. How did you put colors in that white egg of a peacock? Answer me. अणु अणु मा ईश्वर तारो भासे छे भणकार जी, काग कहे कठिनाई थई तोय आवे नहीं इतबार. एक चमत्कार तो दो तो मैं मानूंगा भगवान में. इतने चमत्कार कम है. और क्या मतलब, व्हाट यू वांट? पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. अणु में आंखों वड़ संकेल्यो, एक ड्रॉप में तुझे पूरा मैंने पैक करके रख दिया था. वन स्पर्म एंड दिस इज व्हाट यू आर. सेल्फ चमत्कार नहीं है तो क्या है ये? हाउ? एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी यू सी इज अ चमत्कार. यू बिलीव आफ्टर सीइंग इंजीनियरिंग, यू आर सेइंग ये बिल्डिंग किसी आर्किटेक्ट ने नहीं बनाया. तो कैसे बना? अपने आप. बिग बैंग. अरे बिग बैंग से ये क्या इतना परफेक्शन? वो इलेक्ट्रिकल का वायर इलेक्ट्रिक की जगह पे पहुंचा, स्विच बोर्ड आया बिग बैंग से. हाउ कैन इट बी पॉसिबल? देयर हैज टू बी एन आर्किटेक्ट, देयर हैज टू बी एन इंजीनियर बिहाइंड दिस इंजीनियरिंग. हाउ कैन वी सिट एंड क्वेश्चन? अब उसको जो नाम से बुलाना है बुलाओ ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? यूनिवर्स बोलो, गॉड बोलो, राम बोलो, अल्लाह बोलो, रहीम बोलो, जो बोलना है बोला. हाउ डज इट मैटर? How does it matter what you call me? You just have to believe in him or her or whatever. and just surrender to that intelligence, then we will never pray. ये करो ना, अरे ही नोज ना. इतना बनाने वाले को नहीं मालूम क्या करो और हमको मालूम क्या करो. वी डोंट नो हाउ टू मेक आवरसेल्व्स, बट वी वांट टू कंसल्ट हिम. गॉड, आई विल डू दिस फॉर यू, यू डू दैट फॉर मी. Doesn't make any absolute logical left brain or right brain sense. No brain sense is there in this. This is absolute samne logic and proof and experience and anubhav. Everything is painting a clear picture. There is somebody behind this entire creation. If there is that creator behind this creation, I have to just surrender. प्रभु तू राखे एम अजरऊ, हे प्रभु तू आपे एटलू जलऊ. जो देना है दे. इतना देने के बाद अगेन मात्रियारा, if what is already given in your life is not enough to make you happy, no matter how much more he will give us, how will that make us happy? How will that make us happy? How do we even manage to complain after so much of abundance given to us free of cost? The human body, parents, siblings, home, knowledge, wisdom, spirituality, everything free of cost. No, none of us are ever going to see. We are talking about contentment after passive income or contentment after promotion. Any of us are fighting for survival or what? Any of us are going to sleep hungry. But we may lose on this salvation. We are not going to lose anything there, but we are going to lose something very precious here. So what are we trying to balance in life at the cost of what? What are we balancing? ये कर लो ना. अच्छा, how difficult is this? And how much proportion is needed to do this? As much of proportion of time that we spent in eating. Is anybody hungry? Throughout the day, has anybody been hungry? We have spent 12 hours, 16 hours together. How many minutes have we spent on eating? 40? In totality, 40? 40 minutes lasted for 16 hours. 40 minutes of spirituality last 16 hours. Same proportion. But 40 तो करो. 40 तो करो और 16 के मजे लो. How can the proportion be more beneficial and easy? Lenient score की बात की ना. अरे इतना कर दो, तुम ले लो 90. है ना? She gave lenient marks. इतना ही कर लो. 50 से ऊपर आए पास, 75 से ऊपर excellent. इतना ही easy paper है. We read that वचनामृत last time. 12 मिनट एकाग्र होकर इंद्रिय, अंतःकरण और जीव तीनों जुड़कर 12 मिनट अगर वो क्रिया की है भगवान से जुड़ने की, तो 24 घंटे में कोई भी मिस्टेक्स हो जाए, he says माफ. What does he mean by माफ? He means your connection with me will not break because of those mistakes. You and me will stay connected, and those temptations or distractions will not have the power to disconnect our call if you have dialed 12 minutes like this. But it has to be like this. It has to be first thing in the morning. When we take pride कि जो बचा हुआ खाना है वो ड्राइवर को दिया. But beauty is अगर ड्राइवर को साथ में खिलाया, है क्या नहीं? उससे ज़्यादा ब्यूटी इज अगर ड्राइवर को पहले खिलाया. गॉड को क्या मिलता है? लास्ट मॉर्सेल ऑफ आवर लाइफ. पहले ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया. मेडिकल इमरजेंसी, करियर इमरजेंसी, ये इमरजेंसी, सब इमरजेंसी. टाइम बचा है, चलना वचनामृत पढ़ लेता हूँ. लास्ट बिट. डोनेशन कौन सा जाता है? लास्ट बिट. पूरा साल देख तो लेने दो कितना आया, फिर 10% डोनेट करूँगा.
अरे पहले कर ले. So we have to give our first part of our morning to him, not last part of our day, because last part of our day is not predictable. We may be rajoguni, tamoguni, we may be lethargic, alsi, pramadi, we don't know. First thing in the morning, get up, dial, connect, khatam. Then full day we can last. Right? So that brings us to that uninterrupted connection with God. Sarve sadhanma savthi kathan sadhan kyu? All whatever sadhanas we do, what is the most difficult sadhan and which is the most beneficial sadhan? ભગવાનના સ્વરૂપમાં મનની અખંડ વૃત્તિ રાખવી, તેથી કોઈ સાધન કઠણ નથી અને તેથી અધિક પ્રાપ્તિ શાસ્ત્રમાં કંઈ નથી. Having an uninterrupted connection with God is the most difficult sadhana and is the most beneficial sadhana. इससे beneficial कुछ नहीं है, इससे difficult कुछ नहीं है. But I feel after so much of satsang it's easy. Can you be selfish? If you can be selfish, this is easy. Okay? If you can only understand that अगर ये रूम में नरेंद्र मोदी बैठा है तो नरेंद्र मोदी के साथ संबंध पहले अच्छा रख लो, तो पूरी कंट्री तुम्हारी जेब में है. कोई इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट, कोई जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट, कोई तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता है. कोई भी आया तुमको खाली मोदी को फोन करना, भाई देखना परेशान कर रहा है. इफ दैट इज डायल्ड, हु कैन ट्रबल यू? नथिंग. ऑल अदर्स आर हिज लॉज. लॉ ऑफ कर्मा इज हुज लॉ? हुज लॉ? हिज लॉ. करेगा माफ, करता है माफ. ઇનફેક્ટ ही सेज કે એક સત્સંગીના જીવનમાં જે બી સુખ દુઃખ આવે છે, again I'll read. વિમુખ જીવ હોય તેને જે સુખ દુઃખ આવે છે તે તો પોતાના કર્મે કરીને આવે છે. અગર કોઈ વિમુખ જીવ है, વિમુખ જીવ मतलब who has turned his face to God, God तेल पीने जाए, विमुख जीव, उसको कर्म के लॉस के हिसाब से ये जिंदगी काटनी है. बिकॉज ही इज नॉट शोन इंटरेस्ट, ही इज नॉट शोइंग इंटरेस्ट. वेरी सिंपल. ही इज नॉट सब्सक्राइब ओनली टू द यूनिवर्सिटी, सो ही इज सेइंग टेक योर टाइम. Like if somebody is not coming to Kalyan Mitra, what will he say? She said, जाओ घूम के आओ, जहाँ जाना है जाके आओ, करके आओ, थक के आओ, जो भी करना है करके आओ. That is what he also says. कि how much can I force you? तेरे अच्छे के लिए खाना खा, भूखा मत रहे. How much? I cannot help you beyond the point. પણ જે ભગવાનના ભક્તો હોય તેને જેટલું સુખ દુઃખ આવે છે તે કર્મનું પ્રેર્યું થાતું નથી. ભગવાનના ભક્તને તો જેટલું દુઃખ આવે છે તે ભગવાનની આજ્ઞા લોપવે કરીને થાય છે. If you are not going to obey, you will be. That is the only thing that can now disturb you. When your guru said something, your shastra said something, your God said something, and you disobeyed, that will make you disturbed. But otherwise, he said, karma now is not in any. કાળ કર્મ ને માયા, આ ત્રણેય ભગવાનના ભક્તને દુઃખ પ્રેરી ન શકે. Cannot. Okay? Because now he is taken complete ownership of ours. Okay? काल कर्म माया. काल means बुरे टाइम, कर्म means मेरे बुरे कर्म, Maya means the design of life. All three have no dictatorship on the life of a seeker. A life of a seeker is running on the instructions of the Almighty. And in every instruction, with every lesson, He will send His soldiers to take care of you. In any form. Any form. मन की आंखें तूने खोली तो ही दर्शन पाएगा, पता नहीं किस रूप में आकर नारायण मिल जाएगा. He will send in some form, same Narayan, in any name, in any form, in any रूप, in any word, in any वचन. वो घंटी बजनी है और वो भेज के ही रहेगा. So after that we are totally on that path. So then he says, then what do we need as an attitude? After all this understanding, identity sort हो गई, ये spiritual understanding बैठ गई अंदर तक. हाँ, ये ऐसा नहीं कि आज बैठी कल चली गई. Okay, he says if you splash water here today, it will dry up. Then it will dry up. But one small tap of water, drop by drop falling, can fill a bucket, can fill a well also. One small rope which is on the well through which the bucket is filled, that can cut the rock also. Even if it is not a knife, even if it is not a sword, just a rope can cut the stone if it is consistently running on it. So how strong it is not necessary. How consistent we are, how consistently we are doing this, feeding ourselves, is going to dictate. Then we need a go-getter's attitude. Then we cannot have आटलू वचन माराथी मनाशे आटलू नहीं मनाए. ये भगवान जी की बात मैं मानती हूँ, लेकिन ये डिफिकल्ट है यार, मेरे से नहीं होगी. नो, डू व्हाट इज सेड हैज टू बी डन. एज सिंपल एज लिखो फायदा होगा. तो फायदा हुआ है वो बोल रहा है, लिखो फायदा होगा. अब मैं लिखूं, समझेगा नहीं समझेगा भाड़ में जाए, लिखो फायदा होगा. फिनिश. It has to end there because somebody is saying from that vast experience. We can vouch for it. This sharing is helping me, not you. ये जो छप रहा है मेरे अंदर, only I can tell you. After every session, I have to take some time to come out of this. It really takes an effort to come out of this. इधर है ना, वो चरस गांजा किसी ने दिया हो ना, और जो हाई किक बैठती है ना, वैसा किक बैठता है. That's why I couldn't sleep also last time after our talk. I had to stay awake for another hour to settle down. Ask him how much of that after क्या बोलते हैं वो hangover उतरने को कितना टाइम लगता है पूछो. It is a hangover. You can also vouch for it that it is a hangover. That much of adrenaline this has, that much of rush this has. So then we cannot say आटलू मानीस आटलू नहीं मानो. Just do it. It is going to really benefit all of us. Yes.
Just one question. So when you said about the disobedience, right? The only point when we disturbed is the disobedience. Is there anything after? I mean, of course we know the reason कि क्यों disobedience हो सकता है, अगर होता है, क्यों एक के मतलब अभी बोला तो अभी हो जाना क्यों नहीं होता है. Fair reasons, and there is so much that has happened, of course. But sometimes it is difficult to accept at that moment कि ये क्यों नहीं होता.
Yes. So, वही stages. I don't know. I don't know. I know. I don't know. Now I know. I know. You're talking about. You know that you're not able to. You know that you're not able to accept. You also know that not abiding by this is going to cause you sorrow. A equal to B, B equal to C, A equal to C. Now it just makes logic. कर ले भाई. Or subscribe for unhappiness. Okay? Yeah.
कभी कभी, and now I
Yeah.
don't have a concrete.
बस पीछे पड़ जाओ. I'm just saying पीछे पड़ जाओ. Don't give up till you achieve it. Let it take 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, 100 days. He says, आत्मा, मैं आत्मा हूँ. ये एक बार प्रवचन सुन के हो जाए, 2 बार, 5 बार, 10 बार, 100 बार, 1000 बार सुनते रहो बस. Don't give up till you are totally resonating with the identity कि मैं आत्मा हूँ, established, tick, done, no doubts. Till then, keep hammering. Just keep hammering yourself. Don't leave yourself. Yeah, that's the worst. वो इस सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट पाथ को सेल्फ क्रिटिसाइजिंग जजमेंटल अगली पाथ बना देना. इट्स द वर्स्ट. यू आर किलिंग द जॉय ऑफ एजुकेशन. यू आर जस्ट किलिंग द जॉय ऑफ एजुकेशन. सी इट हाउ वी रिमेंबर आवर स्कूल डेज. वो पोपट रट्टाबाजी करके मार्क लाना. डिड वी एंजॉय दैट एजुकेशनल सिस्टम? नो, दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. योर द पॉइंट इज यू शुड एंजॉय becoming a better version of yourself. Good is becoming better, better is becoming best. उसमें bad, worse, worst वाले words भी use नहीं होने चाहिए. I hate myself, I regret it. Words भी use नहीं होने चाहिए. It's very beautiful. Keep it beautiful. इतना टाइम इन्वेस्ट किया, of course you are going to see your flaws ना. इतना बड़ा मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास लेके खुद को देखेंगे तो फ्लॉज नहीं दिखने वाले. Spirituality is that zoomed in lens. You will know your insincerities, your inauthenticities, your hypocrisy, your alas, your pramad, your fake deceit, duglapan. Everything is right in front of you. Your ego, all your vulnerabilities are, you are saying in front of everyone, so everyone also knows. तो वो तो है ही है. Tell me who's perfect. Everybody is working. So it takes time. Yes, somebody is good at this subject, somebody is good at that subject, somebody is good at that subject. बस उतना ही फर्क है. But was trying, that go-getters trying. Okay. His intent for us, see, listen. તમે સર્વે અમારા કહેવાયા છો. You all are mine. Okay. He is saying, you all are mine. જો હું તમને ખટકો રાખીને વર્તાવું નહીં અને તમે કાંઈક ગાફલપણે વર્તો તો અમ થકી દેખાય નહીં. See his intent, so beautifully orated. You are mine. If you falter and suffer, I won't be able to see it. मैं देख ही नहीं पाऊंगा. I want you to pass with flying colors. If you are not going to pass na, I am not going to like it. Gaflai. Gaflai means if you are complacent, if your casual attitude, if your alas, if your pramad, if your after knowing everything, नहीं यार आज पढ़ाई करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, that is gaflai. If your gaflai also makes you suffer, I won't be able to see it. Then માટે જે જે અમારા કહેવાના છો, whoever y'all, if y'all say you are mine and if I say you are mine, so whoever belongs to this spiritual community, okay, તેમાં અમારે એક તલ માત્ર પણ કસર રહેવા દેવી નથી. कितनी कसर? तिल जितनी. I don't know. I will not. That वो आमिर खान वाला एटीट्यूड इतना भी नहीं चलेगा. एकदम परफेक्शन. I want it. Okay. So मैं ऐसे एटीट्यूड के साथ आपके पीछे लग जाऊंगा. માટે તમે પણ સુધા સાવધાન રહેજો. I am warning you. You also stay alert. Okay. You also have to be aware. I am not going to allow any sort of loose attitude here. અને જો ગાફલાઈ રાખશો તો તમારો પગ ટકશે નહીં. If you are going to have that loose attitude, you will falter. फिर अगेन डिस्टर्बेंस, फिर अगेन एक और वल्नरेबल स्टोरी, फिर एक और दुखद घटना, फिर एक और सेल्फ सिंपथी, दया, करुणा, एंड वन मोर स्टोरी टू टेल. राइट? दैट इज वेयर वी विल लैंड. તમારો પગ ટકશે નહીં. તમે ભગવાનના ભક્ત છો. તમારા હૃદયમાં કોઈ જાતની વાસના અને કોઈ જાતનો અયોગ્ય સ્વભાવ રહેવા દેવો નથી. Qualities of a seeker, whatever doesn't belong there, I will not let that remain in your being also. Not in your personality, not in your character. अस्तित्व से निकाल दूंगा. वो एक्चुअली मैं तभी खाली फील कर रहा था ऐसा, तो मैंने खाली शेयर किया. नहीं, वो खाली मेरा परसेप्शन ऐसा लगा. नहीं है अंदर कुछ. वो अंदर से जब तक मैं उखाड़ नहीं लूँगा तब तक I am not going to spare you. तो you have to stay alert. कोई जातनी वासना, नो डिजायर, डिजायरलेस. वो ऋषभदेव भगवान के सन भरत जी उसका एक पूरा राज छोड़ के आ गए. एंटायर किंगडम ही लेफ्ट. कितना रिनाउंसिएशन? एंटायर किंगडम ही लेफ्ट. हम तो खाली 2 दिन के लिए एक वीकेंड छोड़ के आए यहाँ पे, वो भी वापस जाने के लिए. ही लेफ्ट फॉर एवर. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ रिनाउंशिएटर. दैट रिनाउंशिएटर को एक डियर में कंपैशन से अटैचमेंट हो गई. Why? Because that deer's mother was pregnant. Some animal came to kill that deer. उसने वो बेबी को डिलीवर कर दिया और खुद कुएं में कूद गया और समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई डोंट नो द होल स्टोरी. बट इस डियर बेचारा माँ बिना कैसे जिएगा. मैं उसकी माँ, तो अगला जन्म उसकी माँ का. इन स्पाइट ऑफ सो मच रिनाउंसिएशन. तो इतना सा भी वो रहने नहीं देंगे. डिटैचमेंट 100%, स्कोर 100 आउट ऑफ 100 चाहिए. 95 भी ही विल नॉट अलाउ. ओके, देन ग्रेस वाला छोड़ दो, बट अदरवाइज ही विल नॉट अलाउ. तो नाउ वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल. वी हैव टू बी सो केयरफुल. आ जन्मे सर्वे कसर टाळवी छे इज हिज दृढ़ निश्चय फॉर अस. इसी जन्म में तुम्हारी पूरी कसर. ये अटेम्प्ट लास्ट अटेम्प्ट. सबको केटी लगी है, मानते हो? ऑल ऑफ अस सिटिंग हियर आर केटी. द सीकर, स्पीकर, एवरीवन. तो ये इधर है. अब केटी नहीं लगने देनी है, इसके लिए ये क्लासेस लगा रहे. एंड ही इज सेइंग के बॉस ये अटेम्प्ट में तुझे पास होना ही है. आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू टू फेल. दैट इज द टीचर्स एटीट्यूड. सो नाउ व्हाट शुड बी द स्टूडेंट्स एटीट्यूड? I will cooperate. That's it. 100% cooperation from us is what he is expecting. ભગવાન વિના બીજા કોઈ પદાર્થ માં પ્રીતિ રહે એવું રહેવા દેવું નથી. Your dependency, attachment should not remain on anything and anyone. That is what I will ensure. You have to cooperate. Okay. I think we'll leave it there. It's 9. I can go on and on. I have this go-getter's attitude. So we just touched 3 topics. Identity, clarity, absolute right understanding of whatever is happening to this mind and body in this earthly life. The perspective to look at any of those challenges and circumstances must not be मेरे साथ इतना बुरा हुआ. इट हैज़ टू बी गॉड ने वापस मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, और उस अपॉर्चुनिटी देते वक्त मुझे ये भेजा, वो भेजा, ये भेजा. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक सेइंग ये क्वेश्चन पेपर, ये डाइजेस्ट, अब दे एग्जाम. अब तो दो. ओपन बुक एग्जाम है यार. ओपन बुक एग्जाम है जिसमें ही इज ऑल्सो अलाउड. टीचर भी बाजू में बैठ सकता है. टीचर बाजू में बैठेगा. ओपन बुक है, एग्जाम देनी है, बिंदास दो ना. उसको पूछो क्या लिखना है. व्हाट सच ब्यूटीफुली शी सेड, आई डोंट डिसाइड ओनली विदाउट आस्किंग. बेस्ट ना. फेल होने का चांस ही नहीं. हुआ तो उनका टेंशन. द बक ओनली इज ऑन हिम. द बॉल इज इन हिज कोर्ट. मैंने तो पूछा था, अभी बोला नेक्स्ट. देयर इज नो स्कोप ऑफ सेइंग यू शुड हैव डन दिस. He is only trapped. Like that, God is by our side. Saints are by our side. We have to give an exam. Who better to give that exam than us? Le lo. What is going to happen when we graduate? So why complain? वापिस 12th की एग्जाम, अभी CA की भी दूँ, वापिस MBA की भी दूँ. लेना भाई. जितनी ज़्यादा एग्जाम उतना ज़्यादा पगार. सिंपल हिसाब है. जितना ज़्यादा एजुकेशन उतना ज़्यादा एलिवेशन. सो यू कैन टेक एज मच एज यू वांट. प्रमोशन मिला तो भी रोएंगे. So he is keeping on promoting us. Just our perspective to look at that must be this, and our want to keep getting better and better and better and better should make us go and dive into this with whatever energy we have in our life. जितनी mental, spiritual, physical capacity है, choose one thing, घुस जाओ उसमें पूरा. Choose anything. The outcome is same. Tomorrow she'll speak, it will be no different than what I spoke. Just the way of saying will be different. It is going to be exactly this. Morning he spoke, it is no different than this. We are just saying same thing. You pick whatever. You want to pick Bible, you are not Christian, still pick Bible. You are going to reach at the same point. It doesn't matter what we are going to pick. We just have to pick one and make it us. It should be our identity. इतनी बार घोट के पी लो ना, that becomes your identity. Then it could be, I told him, just keep reading one Vachanamrit every day. Same Vachanamrit every day you keep reading, तो भी you will benefit. वो पूरी सीरीज 2 बार करके 3 बार करके देख लिया, अभी एक का एक पी कर देखो 500 बार. लाइक ही शेयर्ड इन द मॉर्निंग कि वो प्रभु तू आपे एटलू जो वो भूत के जैसे अंदर आ गया, वो गांधी के जैसे दिखने लगा. दैट इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. वो गॉड भी ऐसे ही दिखने लगेंगे. ओके, सो एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट, बट इट हैज टू बी डन 500 times. How many times has she sung when it touched Bhagwan ji? How many times have you sung in the last 1 month? 100 times गाया होगा, तब जाके भगवान जी को भी टच कर दिया और सबको टच कर दिया. 100 times बॉस. शी इज मेड इट हर होम. मैंने बजाया ओरिजिनल सिंगर का, बोलता है ची ची ये नहीं लगा, माइक दो. दैट इज गोइंग टू हैपन ना. हाँ बट वो होना ही है ना यार. व्हेन यू मेक इट योर ओन, उसकी ब्यूटी है, उसकी ब्यूटी है. सो मेक दिस होल सब्जेक्ट योर ओन. That is what Kalyan Mitra is all about. Just own that subject. And each one of us presented in our language, in our way, our experience, in a different manner. Everything touched. Everything had takeaways. There are different flavors here of the same thing. So we just have to, superb. I think sir brilliantly conceptualized as usual, of giving each one that opportunity to share and not making it, there's no beauty of it. It doesn't, everything went inside them. Whatever had to happen as a shibir happened in the preparation. Shibir is just, ठीक है आओ बोल दो, but the actual shibir यहीं पे खत्म हो गई थी. Right? I've just been able to tell you all 1/3 of what I have written. बट मेरी शिविर तो यहीं पे हो गई थी. राइट, सो दिस इज द मैजिक ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट. सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट. एंड यस, लेट्स, वी कैन कीप टेकिंग यार. दिस इज व्हाट वी ऑल लव. This is all what we all are thirsty for, hungry for. This is what the calling is. We can do it 100 times.